Whew. I wanted to take a break. Hiking pretty far in the woods, and it's so quiet and peaceful. Almost this beautiful rock. Wait a minute, let's just look at that. I hope you're doing well. I haven't been on make a video in quite a few months. Well, I've actually made some shorter videos, but as far as making like a longer video, it's been a while, but I'm getting back into it. I think I just got, I don't know, like nervous or too caught up with other things in my life that were just not really allowing me to feel, you know, that deep connection. But nature has a way of really bringing a lot of calmness to us when we connect with Mama Gaia, the earth, nature. Even if you're, having allergies or not feeling that well, just embrace nature and let it help you. Just took a moment to feel this moss, and I felt a lot of strength and a lot of serenity. I went past this rock and it looked kind of sad. I was like, oh, maybe it needs a hug. You know? So I just kind of pet it. It's so quiet out here. This is a different trail than I usually go to. It's one that I like to go to. It's around a lake. There's a bit more people that walk around there, but there's just no one, so just want to make sure there's no other things out here. But I think I just have experienced like birds and different things creeping around the woods. Phew. But yeah, that's it. Guess that's just my message for right now, is to take the time and connect with nature. One love.